Hello, welcome once again to my channel. In this video I will show you how I make healthy and refreshing Zobo drink. Super healthy and most refreshing Zobo drink. Let's dive into it, everyone. So first, I'll place a clean pot on fire and transfer half boiled water and allow it to boil. Bring it to a boil. So while that is aside, my number one ingredient is ginger. Ginger is packed with lots of health benefits and it gives this a nice aroma and flavor to your Zobo drink. So I will just go ahead and transfer it to my portable mortar and then crush it. You could use blender, but I do not want to use blender because I don't want to blend it smooth. So like this is perfectly fine. So while that is aside, my second ingredient is pineapple. Pineapple is another ingredient packed with lots of vitamins, very nutritious, and it has nice flavor that it adds to your Zobo drink. So I'll peel off the back and then set the main fruit aside. I'll be using the back. Remember, in my last video I told you to watch my next video and see what I do with the pineapple peels. So here is all the pineapple peels. After washing it, I'll set it aside. Keep watching and see how I prepare this Zobo. So my number 3 ingredient is my cloves. This is another nice ingredient that gives a nice flavor and super healthy flavor ingredient to your Zobo. So next thing I add is my cloves, then go with my pineapple peels after washing them, and then the next ingredient I add is my ginger, the already crushed ginger. So first I added my cloves, then my pineapple peel after washing, and then my ginger. Remember, I did not blend the ginger, I crushed it. So I will allow this to boil. While that is on fire, here is my Zobo leaf. I'll be using this quantity of Zobo leaf because I am not making plenty. So use depending on the quantity of refreshing Zobo drink you would like to make. So at this point, I'm going to transfer it into a clean bowl, add water to rinse it because there are some particles that are not useful and I do not need them for my refreshing healthy Zobo drink. Everyone, keep watching, and if this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. If you're returning, thanks for returning back. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to get notified when new videos are updated. So when this gets to a boiling point, the next step is to add my already washed Zobo leaf and allow to cook on a medium flame for 10 minutes. Cook on a medium flame for 10 minutes so it's losing all its nice nutrients into your boiling water. Hello, if this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. So while that is aside, I'll go ahead and cut my pineapples in a smaller shape suitable for my blender because I'll be using these very parts for this Zobo. So keep watching and see how I add these pineapples to my Zobo after adding the peel to boil the Zobo leaf. Okay, so after cutting it into shapes suitable for my blender, I'll go ahead and transfer it into the blender and add a little water then blend it perfectly smooth, everyone. Alright, thanks so my genuine subscribers for your wonderful support, and if you've watched my video up to this point and you're new, please consider subscribing because new videos are updated every week on this channel. New recipes, Nigerian recipes, all recipes, healthy drink are all uploaded in this video every week, in this channel, everyone. So after blending my pineapple, this is what it looks like. So at this point I will transfer it into the already cooked zobo and allow it to boil on a medium flame for just 5 minutes so it could blend together. Alright, so after 5 minutes, our zobo is ready. I'll put off the flame and allow it to cool before I transfer it into a strainer to remove all particles from it. Keep watching and don't go away. This zobo is super healthy and refreshing. If you like to add sugar, the choice is yours, but I will be using dates as my sweetening for this zobo. So don't go away. If this is your first time, keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to get more videos updates. Thumbs up the notification bell. So after it cools, I transfer it into a strainer and allow all the juice to drip off from the strainer. Well, this strainer is a little big, so I'm going to be using another strainer to make sure all particles is all removed from this zobo so you could get a super smooth, refreshing zobo. So I'm transferring it into a sieve. If you look at the sieve, you'll notice there are some particles on it. So doing this allow you to sieve your zobo very well, and so you could have a refreshing zobo drink, everyone. Well, this zobo was super refreshing. Like I said, if you have an ice cube, you can go with it. Put it in the refrigerator, add sugar, add any sweetener of your choice. Wow, like I said, that is perfectly fine for me, and it's super thick. I love it thick. If you like it this way, then you do not need to add extra water. It's better this way. So our healthy, refreshing zobo drink is ready, everyone. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in the next video, and bye for now.